So is BTC going to rise? When are all cryptos going back up, or at least the major ones? This and many more questions is what I'm going to be answering this morning. This is your first time here. My name is Adetola-Freeman, and I am a technical analyst, a Forex trader and trainer. And I love to analyze the markets from time to time as often as I can. If you've not seen any of my previous analysis videos, you might want to go through the channel and see all of the amazing results that I have had in the past couple of weeks. And I am assuring you that what you're about to watch is at least 80% guaranteed to play out in the markets in the next couple of days. All right. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm going to be starting with Ripple, and this is where we are at on the daily chart. All right, at least on the daily time frame. And it's pretty interesting because what we have right now is something that many people did not see coming. However, for people like myself and other people who are really familiar with trading smart money concepts and technical, proper technical analysis, we would agree that this was something that we saw coming really, really early, all right, really, really early. And that was why a lot of us were able to at least prepare for what was coming. Because for someone like me, I definitely didn't get caught in the deep, because I saw when the market structure was broken and there was high probability of a reversal. However, this is not to flaunt or anything. This is just to help you understand that whatever crypto you choose to trade or hold, all right, it's important that you understand technical analysis, at least enough to be able to identify when structure has changed and when there might be a powerful reversal in the markets. All right. So having said that, let's look at what Ripple has done and what Ripple is most likely going to be doing very soon. So where we are right now is a premium zone, as you can see, indicated by all of those equal lows that are here. All right. We also have this little other block right here. All right, which tells us that currently we might be seeing a proper price reversal anytime soon. All right. However, I wouldn't be taking this this trade based on just this one factor. All right. Like if you know me, you know that I really, really love to get multiple factors, forming a confluence, because that gives me a better guarantee of a reversal. Okay, and currently we also see that we have a trend line within that zone. Okay, and I'm also going to plot a Fibonacci so that we see if that falls within a sweet reversal spot that we might want to see. All right, I'm just going to quickly do. Just quickly going to make a change or an adjustment on this Fibonacci so it reflects exactly what I needed to reflect. And then we can check if that aligns with our proper Fibonacci reversal zone. Okay, so I'm just going to add one level to this right now. Like that. Okay, and as we can see, this is also aligning with a Fibonacci level with a proper reversal zone from the Fibonacci level, which is a sweet spot that I will be looking to enter the trade from. So based on that, let's go to the 4 hours time frame, and then we take a top-down analysis to really, really tighten our entries and ensure that our stop losses are not so wide that it becomes almost a headache. Okay. So currently you can see that what Ripple might be looking at doing is most likely we might see Ripple come to, give us equal lows here. All right. Give us equal lows there, and then probably we could have price break above that other block that, that rejected price back down. Okay, this other block right here. Okay, so we might be seeing Ripple performing something like this, or at least all the way down here. Okay, to grab some liquidity, and then we might see Ripple do this, and then this, and then all the way back up. Now, the reason why is because I like to see a clean, smooth liquidity graph, as you can see. So I'll be looking for a graph to the upside here, all right, and as well a graph to the downside here, all right, and then a retest back to that liquidity graph level, okay, so that we can have a proper shoot back to the top. So this would be my expectation on Ripple, at least up until, you know, that trend line, which also aligns with this demand zone or supply zone rather, which also applies with this supply zone, which is a turncoat level. Market has, you know, acted as support in the past. Market broke through it, and then we might be seeing price doing something interesting around that key level. Okay, so until I see this kind of a pattern in on the charts, all right, or probably another really solid reversal pattern, I would not be looking to buy Ripple just right now. So having said that, let's quickly take a look at, you know, the king of cryptos. Let's have a look at BTC USD. Let's have a look at BTC USD and you know, formulate a bias so that whatever it is that you're going to be doing on the lower time frame or in the short term or in the long term, you have a solid background for exactly what the market seeks to do. All right, because that's the whole point of this thing, okay, to educate you, to get you in the right frame of mind and help you understand what to expect from the market in the next couple of days, weeks, whatever it is, okay? And if you love to learn how this works, all right, I'm going to drop a link to my Telegram community right down below so that you can reach out and then we can get started on educating you about proper technical analysis and how it applies in the crypto market, in the stock exchange market, and in whatever market it is that you might be trading at the moment right now. All right. So, and please also, if you love this content, kindly click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also refer, share the link, let people know that there is some quality content going on right here. All right. And please click on the notification icon so that whenever I drop new content, you will be the first to know. So this is a chart of BTC USD, all right, and then this is what we're seeing on the charts right now. We see that this has been a really smooth downtrend, okay? Price came back to recapture all of the liquidity, to recapture all of the imbalance that was created here, sorry. Okay, we had some imbalance created here, and then price came back, we captured all of that imbalance. All right, and then we had this upward push right back from here, okay, all the way up to here, and then we had equal highs here, okay, we had equal highs, equal lows here too, which got taken out, okay, so price broke out of that, came for a slight retest, and then currently we're headed down. And so where are we headed next is the question on many people's minds. How do I know if the dip is ended? How do I know when it's time to, you know, buy the dip? How do I know what exactly it is that I am doing or what exactly it is that I should be doing? Okay, so this is what I would advise right now. BTC might be going a bit lower, right? I might say BTC go a bit lower. I actually did a forecast on this. I'm going to attach the screenshot right about now. All right, so you see, you know, I did a forecast on this, and when I did the forecast, BTC was around this other block here, right? BTC was around this other block here, or yeah, around this other block here, and then I told a friend, do not buy BTC right now because it's still headed for the 30K zone. Okay, and as we can see, based on this analysis, it is still sliding downwards towards the 30K zone, and that is where my money is. Right, that's where my money is at. Okay, so many people saw this trend line. Many technical analysts saw this trend line. So I would form a major conference with another block, bought from there, and then I just saw that this wasn't just it for BTC yet. Even if BTC is going to make a swift push back up, all right, we're still going to see some really deep movements into the 30K zone. All right, because even on the 4 hours time frame, we don't have any major reversal confirmations yet. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, let's see if there's anything solid going on there. All right, on the 1 hour time frame, we've had this equidistant channel, and we've had price from this channel here. All right, which also tells us that price just broke out of that channel And as a result, we might be seeing some strong movements to the downside. Let me see what the feed looks like on this. For this, we've escaped the first level. Let me see if I can add a couple of more levels so that we evaluate what exactly it is that price might be looking at doing. This is, and then we could add a couple more. Okay, so let's see if we have any of those levels at a point of interest. And let's go back to the 4 hours time frame so this becomes clearer. All right, so on the 4 hours time frame, we see that you know, this is a region that price might most likely be, you know, targeting majorly. All right, that might be the major zone that price is looking at, you know, jumping in from. So I would wait to see that happen before I advise anybody to buy the dip on BTC USD. All right, and then lastly, we're going to take a look at ETH USD. All right, Ethereum USD. So for those of you who are looking to buy Ethereum, this is my own personal view. All right, it's not a financial advice. All right, it's just my my personal opinion based on what the charts are saying and based on what price action would say to anybody who is an actual trader. All right, or at least a smart money trader. Okay, so this is Ethereum USD. The trend line. You know, we have a couple of interesting things that might be happening on Ethereum USD over the next couple of days or weeks, whatever it is. Okay. So we have Ethereum sliding really slowly down. Okay. It's been a smooth downward trend. All right. Or ever since we broke out of this equal lows. All right. Price broke those equal lows. Came lower and then we tested that level. Okay, so we've had price coming and shooting all the way down. Let me see if anything clicks here. All right, I'm just going to make a couple of additions to this feed so that, you know, it gives me exactly what it is that I want to see. Okay, so basically this is where we're at right now. So price is close to a premium level, a premium zone. Then this also here, which is basically a conference of several of other blocks. As you can see, probably going to act as a demand zone for price. Okay. However, remember the goal is to enter with as tight a stop loss as possible. So basically, we're not looking to buy right now because it's at the premium zone. Okay. We would want to see some further confirmations. For example, we want to see price, you know, give us probably a reversal pattern, probably give us some liquidity taps, some candlestick formations, whatever it is that is your preferred confirmation. Please be sure to find that on the lower time frame. All right, and if you're not familiar with technical analysis, you don't have your own personal confirmations, please wait until I drop a video indicating that it is safe to buy Bitcoin or whatever other crypto you might be looking at buying right now. Okay, because one of the prices that I would be expecting Ripple to get to, remember for BTC, we're looking at the 30K region. For Ripple, And for ETH, we're looking at the 2000 region, 2050, 2051 region precisely. All right. If price gets to that level, then I will be looking to shoot my shot and chip in on a powerful buy on the Ethereum USD. All right. So if you've gotten some value from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop some new or content. And please remember, this is my opinion based on technical analysis and smart money concepts. And if you would like to learn, just reach out to me on Telegram and let us get talking. I promise you, you will get awesome value for your money. All right. So having said that, please, until I come your way again, I remain Adetola-Freeman, and I look forward to serving you some real hot quality content in the next couple of days, weeks, months to come. All right. Till when I cross your path again, peace. Have a lovely one. God bless you.